Go outside and look up at the sky at different times throughout the month, and you'll see the moon. We often notice how different the moon looks in its different phases, but have you ever noticed how one thing about it stays the same? As long as you view it from the same spot on Earth, you'll always see the same features in the same location, like the Sea of Tranquility where humans first set foot on the moon, or some notable craters. In fact, the only change we see through the cycle of moon phases is how much of the surface is illuminated. So if we always see the same side of the moon, a reasonable question to ask is, does the moon rotate? Let's use a slightly creepy lemon to figure it out. The lemon represents the moon. From Earth's perspective, the camera's perspective, as it orbits around us in 27 days, we always see the same side, the face. Now let's take a different perspective, like what the stars might see. Now as the lemon moon orbits around the person Earth, we can see that the lemon is actually rotating, because sometimes we can see its face and sometimes we can't. Here's a top-down view of the moon orbiting around Earth. Watch the side of the moon that's facing Earth. Do you see how the same side always points towards Earth? That's because its rotation is synced up with its orbit. It takes about 27.3 days for the moon to orbit around Earth, and about 27.3 days for the moon to rotate once around its axis. The result is that we always see the same side of the moon,